Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to connect Amazon Fire TV Stick to TV. Plug the power lead into your Fire TV Stick. The power socket is located on the side. Insert the Fire TV Stick into a spare HDMI port on your TV. If required, use the supplied HDMI extender. Note: ensure the TV is on the correct source. Plug your Fire TV Stick into the mains power. Wait for your Amazon Fire TV Stick to turn on. You may need to pair your remote to the Fire TV Stick light. If so, press the home button to pair the remote. Press play, pause. Scroll to the desired language, then press select. Scroll to the desired network, then press select. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the virtual keyboard, then select connect. The Fire TV Stick will sign into the network. The Fire TV Stick will check for updates and install them. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in with your details. If you don't have one, create a new Amazon account to use your Fire TV Stick, then follow the on-screen instructions. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.